Mema Mabel, Masai Aji Akunya, Masaya Tenasibio, na every young con in same movie. And then Nama, na just said to it, I say sometime, and you go be. I was with all the force, and said, you was with and yes, and get a professor be, and about what the Anthony was say, in your any data, actually be a Twitter, and I send our throne, and then I Ghana for me break any abroad, and then I go for a break as a Ghana Sudi. They be a international, they be a level for way, Mampenny Abedi share. A year, Dr. Mamudu Baumia, Eddie Ghana Edu, another level crash as a level name we do. Nitinti, any nitty, and the say, ye naya or ha, and a Mampenya Bedi Shebeka Ghana force, and ye see, no, a coffin too much. See, no, I know air brass, into I was say, or Munya be and found, send a bear, see, no more, they know, ever sign Apple into a day to see any buy, now to see now, or the buy, no, catch a Ghana force, say about a year oil product if you are manoni and about my Ghana media. And yeah, the US dollars ever to into a year gold product and I say gold that you walk our Ghana hadn't say any no times a better trading. And no, not just I Ghana phone in there is and say, see, no, I'm wanting a big from next year. Everybody won't say, Sage Median Ebenum, so I just say, you Pium, Edward Twitter, Professor Barcon, I a friend of Professor Steve Hank, or no, a professor of applied economics. Johnson Hopkins University. Just one year Ghana, you know, not just what to the poise. I'll try and say, you know, it was so shocking. Ghana phone them see Papa or against, or against, just a way, dear. We don't wait to so against, or see, we're a bogus, just a damn plans, a new policy, not just a Ghana mom, Pinya Medici. Eddie Bayon say a year to see parts moving ample, a boss say at the papa or no professor we say a year bogus plans we police we plan the bogus. Hey, na say a dear bogus and I just had way me a room when I Ghana for Cate. Sammy a year said Ghana for Eddie a year gold, a bottom oil product instead of US dollars. In the end, the young woman near Papa Shaw on the Twitter page said this is bogus. With the metal me was Nama King kind a year in same Eddie among Panasu with the media. Or the former rate be said, comment session on far or comment, every for our ginger, every our comment session on fair phenomenon one danger. Send your say your bogosi, say I'm born into Sui and I said you just support your cassette, Sassy way air bogos, and no dear one fans to answer no, and a woman there echo to is a big say a bogos. Now a year or see your goal for oil plants. Bogus and your Prof. Hank tackles Baunian, or say H. Hank, a professor of applied economics, Johns Hopkins University, has described as bogus Vice President Dr. Mamudu Baumia's announcement of a new policy of buying oil products with gold rather than US dollars. I had focus a professor, she said, oh, you are being jealous of this thing. And in Ghana, another level is hitting us because we say above phone or maybe we'll be phoning more parents, almost say before be there and cannot almost say way your professor into Addy way but in Kofobe Ghana for be now more in fact more money government way or more supporting government way from the one at the Abbas Sadi way one Penya made the trade and the Abani a year pint Ghana Sikan and one debate. According to him, Ghana's vice president is grasping for straws with this new gold for oil plan. International say, the new plan as proposed by the government is to tackle dwindling foreign currency reserves coupled with the demand for dollars by oil importers, which is weakening the local CD and increasing living costs, if implemented as planned for the first quarter of the 2023, the new policy will fundamentally change our balance of payments and significantly reduce the persistent depreciation of our currency. Baumia said in a post on his Facebook timeline. He explained that using gold would prevent the exchange rate from directly impacting fuel or utility prices, as domestic sellers would no longer need foreign exchange to import oil products. The battle of gold for oil represents a major structural change, and the Vice President stressed. But Prof. Steve Hank, in a tweet, said Vice President of Ghana, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, unveiled a plan to buy oil with gold instead of the US dollars. Bawumia claims that his gold for oil plan will reduce the persistent depreciation of our currency. Bawumia is grasping for straws. His plans is bogus. In saying and a outro on the Twitter page. So you're saying Bawumia is grasping for straws. His plans is bogus. In the professor way and it's only was and a natural same way on the Twitter page and get a new policy of Penyabe District and Ghana. Was a Ghana phone in fact yet assemble you adi mampany timeline so yenina I the pass at least Ghana yesika no ye sika sema ne hia sika sema senya sisi $1 do 15 cedis almost 15 cedis you know make 15 cedis and now $1 15 cedis ye na yesu say $1 15 cedis no emu bra no yeshi interbind ontimi enye bibi ever ma Ghana for ana said day it was ontimi ye bibi ever ma Ghana for ni na sansem no ye kan ye church mampany na ye unsem mampanya be de che eto ne boase so otna so ne ne kofu enye omode omande cheba new policy ni bana new policy no omode bae and I so mo ka che Ghana for say Ghana for sisi ade enche ye gold and a about oil product. Now, Professor Yifun, on the BBL, come on, several Ghana and say you IMF OKB, then OKB, send your Cassia Saki, a young number for that Nina OKB, and I will so often once and I wink yes, to say, and Quebec say, oh, a good initiative, ever at the Ghana for Ghana, now so I'm back as our segue a bogus, runs way a bogus, not just say, Lash and young idea. Balance na Benyabe Disha Ashishe Edama Ghana for especially on the note say Yesika Yesidi no Ebe Raposro Ebia a paper form and I say every paper form a Benya one didn't why Kintin or say a bogus Benyabe Disha plans the bogus today which we will live to see Professor Way and Kasha Ghana for Ghana for me pre say I or more decided way at Mako because a good initiative because this is a Ghana or meaning say e moye dunya o hwe me na wa wuti mo ka betina bear witness etia testify say ni me moye de e wo Ghana pa ni na enam say dollar no kosro kosro konkum se konko a de say wenya baby ko na ye city no de ever from $1 14 cedis and point something pesos just one say engine be do 15 cedis obia can once me need dollar on my account so me can say dollar na ko so city no aba from ni na professor we see it is bogus. So see your catch my opinion made it say it is bogus. Now way it is so surprising. Now it is so shocking. Before me break I said professor way or teachers the Ghana for because you when we say that initiative we a good initiative the Ghana for your teachers and all discouraging blacks they say sa initiative where the be man say kayane kayede $1 eto oil ewo amanoni the Ghana na Ghana for na say blacks the cost of living no emu bed is ni na no na me hwe say mampanya be de chibe bom dia aba be ma reply was in same way aha and I didn't see GhanaTube open semetie not the more news at the special when you air cost with dia let's also be subscribe now so notification bell no more dia na waso esiso ama me na me dey send it to when you need them so to see ade order for me makram